Hello there. So today we are talking about how to wash your moon cap. Moon cap! This is a plastic-free period product, a zero waste period product. So instead of using thousands of tampons and pads that are made of plastic and that come into contact with the most sensitive absorbent parts of our body, we can use this reusable silicone moon cap. And this little moon cup is great. Silicone does not leach any harmful toxins into our bodies, unlike plastic. So that's why we like to use silicone, medical grade silicone, for these items. And it's reusable and great as long as you are sanitizing it. So how do we sanitize it? How do we keep it clean? Before every use, you can let it soak in boiling hot water. This is not going to change the silicone at all. It can handle the heat. That's it. That's all you do. If you say don't have boiling hot water, what's another way you can do it? Well, you can use vinegar to sanitize it. You can use baking soda to clean it if it gets stained. Just take a little bit of baking soda or bicarb and just use your finger and just kind of scrub it. You can also use an old toothbrush if that is more easily accessible to you. So that's what you do.